Good morning. It's December 7, 2025, 7:46 a.m. We are here in Pacific Rim, Filinvest Alabang. The Manila run just got finished. So ayan, this portion, it's close to car or vehicular traffic. Di pa nila natatanggal yung mga orange cones for the runners, participants. So we'll take advantage of the close traffic. We're doing the Pacific Rim. Dati mga 2 years ago, this is carless exclusively. $24/7 pero tinanggal nila, I think 2023 or last year. Speed is 20.7, 20.8. Medyo packet na tayo. Elevation is 18, 19. Good na well managed yung run. Walang mga trash like plastic cups, plastic bottles, ay mga iba pang paraphernalias ng mga runners, energy gels. Grade 1.7, elevation 22 meters above sea level. Okay, na-test na natin yung ating hollow tech crank, then yung ating Claris, Shimano Claris, mali, na-test na natin yung hollow tech bottom bracket, and then yung Claris 34 to 50 feet cranks, hollow tech din. So we are distance covered for this day is 38.8 kilometers. So initial is smooth yung pedaling, tapos feel mo yung pag pumidal ka, kumakagat agad. And then I think yung before may creak siya on the previous videos. Ngayon wala na akong naririnig na click. I think dun lang yun sa bearing ng yung bottom bracket before, yung squared type tapered bottom bracket. Okay, taas sa taas, titigil, extend natin yung video. Sa layo tayo sa mga tao para hindi makita ang kanilang face. Privacy nga, privacy. Okay. So, it's a cloudy day. Walang sun. Kahit na mag-8 na. 7:51 AM. Grade is 3.1, 3.0, elevation 23 meters above sea level. Okay, dito na tayo. Thank you for watching with me. Ride safe all.